it's your girl Celeste Renee, and welcome back to my channel. So today is officially week 2 of the 6-week challenge. Yes, and this week was horrible for me. So on the last video I told you guys that I was gonna incorporate carbs into my diet this week, and yes, that was a complete fail. So last week I lost 3.3 pounds. This week I gained all 3.3 pounds back, so I gained a total of 3.7 pounds. And the only thing that I did different, you guys, was adding carbs. So I'm just like, that was a flop. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna stick to keto. But I do have to say something, because on the last video I said that my heart rate, my blood pressure was up, but I was mistaken. I actually had, well, I could have sworn that's what she told me when I had got the blood pressure done. But I went and like requested like my actual like personal health files. I would show y'all, but it has my personal information. You know, people out here crazy. But actually when I went there, it's like from the last 2 years. I'm trying to find the one, the most recent one. If you hear some noise in the background, I'm cooking some chicken in my air fryer, so don't be alarmed. Okay, 2019. So it says that my blood pressure was actually, why can't I not find it? It was on here. Watch, it's like right in front of my face. I'm just like overlooking it because that's what I always do. Okay, so my blood pressure at my last doctor's appointment, which was last week, was 120/80. So that's actually a really healthy blood pressure. I don't know why I thought she told me like 180/78 or some crazy number like that. So it was 120/80. So I had to take back my comments that I said last week when I was freaking out, but I could have sworn that's what that, I was gonna say that helped. That's not appropriate. I could have sworn that's what she told me. And so yes, I just want to clarify that because I don't want to be giving out misinformation, but it still is higher because when I went to the doctor in 2017, it was 118/74. And then when I went, oh, actually when I went last year, 2018, it was 121/78. So I guess it went down. Child, I don't know how this blood pressure stuff goes, but anyways, just wanted to clarify that. Some doctor records. I'm not gonna show y'all all the stuff because people is crazy, as we see in the comments. But yes, so I really didn't want to do this video, guys, because I gained weight. I was like, what, like stupid, like why do I need to come on camera and tell people I gained weight so people can be in the comments and try to drag me? But I was like, it's for the better good. This is Topo Chico, guys. I'm in love with this water. So good. I heard that you can only get it in Texas. I don't know if that's a true statement, but if you can get it, delish. 0 carbs, 0 calories, 0 everything. But anyways, I really didn't want to do this video today because I was just like upset because it's so crazy, guys. Like when I weighed in last week, I had lost the 3.3 pounds, right? And like when I got to the middle of the week, I had lost 2 more pounds, so I was down to 5 pounds. And then I was like, you know, let me try the carb thing. So like the first day I ate the carb, I had like this keto bread. It was like protein bread, and I got on the scale and it was still like, it didn't move or anything. So I was like, okay, cool. Then the next day, like it went up a pound. The next day, up a pound. Then the next day, up a pound. I'm like, what the hell? It wasn't even like I was eating like intense carbs. I had a sandwich, and then I had like a tortilla. It was like a low carb tortilla. It had like 4 net carbs in the tortilla. So I don't know. I did have sushi too. So I don't know if my body was just adjusting to the carbs or what, but for me, I'm done. Like I'm going back to strict, well not strict keto, but going back to keto where I stay under my 20 carbs. I literally just went to the grocery store, brought some new foods and stuff because I was like, oh no ma'am, she ain't got time to be gaining weight. But I will say the crazy thing is that, what is that? The crazy thing is that although I had gained 3.7 pounds, my body fat percentage went down. So for me, you guys know I had told you guys I had learned about body fat and how body fat is what actually changes like the way your body looks more so than the weight loss. So when I saw that, I was kind of happy. So I was like, okay, maybe just my body's like getting used to like, you know, starting the boxing routine. I've been doing that every day, and like the carbs, I don't know, but I'm gonna go back to keto this week, see what happens, and hopefully we have some better results. But I did take pictures this week, and I think that I can see a difference between the first week and this week. So I don't know, maybe it's just my body's just, I don't know, guys. I don't know. I'm really disappointed in myself, even though like I don't think I did anything differently other than adding the carbs. I don't know, but I'm not gonna dwell on it. I was really upset this morning, but I'm like, you know, it's less, that's life. So I'm just gonna push through for these last 4 weeks, you know, because I can still reach the goal, well, hopefully. we'll see. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking because your girl is really over it today. Like, that weight gainage did not put me in a good mood. But I'm just trying to, you know, not let my weight dictate my attitude and just jump back on it, because normally your girl would have already been at like Chick-fil-A or something getting the burger. Like, fuck it, gain 3 pounds, might as well have a whole cheat week. But because I'm doing this video, this challenge on YouTube, it's actually holding me accountable. So I'm like, girl, if you do that and you get on YouTube, they gonna know, because you have to show. Oh, I didn't even show the receipts. Well, there's no receipts to show on my Fitbit because I didn't lose any weight. So it's not gonna say minus nothing. It's just gonna be, see, I didn't, it's, you see how it just has the dash? Can't really see it right there. Normally when you lose weight, it'll say, but it says ... pounds. So that means I'm back to where I started. So yeah, that's that, guys. Hopefully next week it'll be a better week. And yeah, please let me know how you guys this week went. I hope you guys had better results than me. And even if you didn't, it's okay, guys. We're still in this. We're still gonna keep going because, you know, we still got 4 more weeks left and we can get a lot done in 4 more weeks. So don't forget to comment how your week went. And yes, I will see you guys next week. Bye.